வணக்கம், வெல்கம் டு இன்ஸ்பயர் அகாடமி. வீடியோல என்ன பார்க்க போறோம் அப்படின்னா மார்ச் மந்தோட பார்ட் 2 கரண்ட் அஃபேர்ஸ் பார்க்க போறோம். First one, Pyongyang is the capital city of which country? So எந்த country அப்படின்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா நார்த் கொரியா. Next, which article of Indian Constitution deals with the right to freedom of speech and expression? So it is in the article 1919 of 2. Which country announced in Greece retirement age from 62 to 64 by 2030? So answer is France. Which state announced the Chief Minister's Village Roads Improvement Scheme? So it is Tamil Nadu by the Chief Minister M.K. Stalin. When was the Uttar Pradesh Foundation Day celebrated every year? So it is celebrated on January 25th. When it was came into existence on January 24, 1950. Which country is associated with anti-spyware declaration? That is United States of America. Which Indian state has the largest population of leopards according to the report? So it is Madhya Pradesh. Who is the author of the book Kashmir Travels in Paradise on Earth 2024? It is Romesh Bhattacharya. In which state did the Chief Minister inaugurate the 4th National Chilika Birds Festival? It is Uttar Pradesh. In which year was the Original Water, that is Prevention and Control of Pollution Act enacted? So it is in the year 1974. Original Water Prevention and Control of Pollution Act was enacted and amended in 2024. மேலும் விவரங்களுக்கு 9842297768 கால் பண்ணுங்க ஒரு inspireacadamii@gmail.com மெயில் ஐடியை காண்டாக்ட் பண்ணுங்க. ஸோ இந்த வீடியோவை ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க, சேனலுக்கு சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க. தேங்க்யூ.